this video is about the electromagnetic spectrum and the sort of trends in frequency, wavelength and so on. Now, if we start with the bit we all know, the visible light spectrum, it goes from red with the longer wavelength and lower frequency through to violet with the higher frequency, shorter wavelength. And that trend extends way beyond the visible spectrum. So at this end here, where we've got forms of electromagnetic waves with long wavelengths and low frequency, we've got radio, microwave and infrared. That brings us to the visible spectrum, and then beyond the visible spectrum on the other side, after violet, we have ultraviolet, X-ray and gamma. Now this is a continuous spectrum of transverse waves. They have increasing frequency and decreasing wavelength. That is an inversely proportional relationship. That's all governed by the fact that these all have a constant speed. They have the same speed in a vacuum across the spectrum, but if you have low frequency, you're going to have a long wavelength, high frequency, short wavelength. So that's the relationship between these properties of the waves. I hope that makes sense, and thanks for watching.